BTC gaining momentum ahead of the much-awaited release of U.S. non-farm payrolls, according to price prediction for Bitcoin. As the highly anticipated release of the U.S. non-farm payroll statistics draws near, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, is displaying signs of gaining pace. This economic indicator is being actively watched by traders and investors because it has the potential to have a big market impact. The recent increase in the price of Bitcoin indicates a growing sense of optimism among market participants who anticipate favorable results from the forthcoming release. This Bitcoin price prediction will analyze the present condition of the cryptocurrency's value and highlight any potential effects that the U.S. non-farm payroll data may have on the market for cryptocurrencies. Upcoming US NFP, potential effect on Bitcoin. The May non-farm payroll report is due out soon, which has the Bitcoin market interested. The US dollar and Bitcoin may be affected by the Bureau of Labor Statistics prediction of fewer jobs being added than the previous month. If the real amount turns out to be higher than expected, it might have a favorable effect on the US dollar, which would put downward pressure on the value of Bitcoin because of the indirect relationship. The market is also anticipating the announcement of May's average hourly rate and unemployment rate because these numbers will have a further impact on the US dollar's worth. Since the US dollar index has slightly declined over the past 24 hours, traders are being cautious ahead of the release of the non-farm payrolls data. CleanSpark increases Bitcoin mining despite falling profitability. This year, the cryptocurrency mining company CleanSpark significantly increased the number of mining devices in its fleet. Mining businesses continue to expand and boost their output despite a 44% overall drop in profits over the previous year. An American Bitcoin mining business called CleanSpark made recent news when it paid $40.5 million for 12,500 brand new Antminer S19 XP units. This purchase was done for less than the going rate in the market. The timing of this news coincides with the all-time high in Bitcoin mining difficulty of over 50T, which puts more pressure on BTC miners who are already struggling with the rise of AI usage in mining operations. Despite lower mining profitability, CleanSpark's expansion efforts demonstrate the company's dedication to Bitcoin mining. In the early trading hours of Friday's session, the announcement of this expansion helped BTC prices slightly. U.S. Commodities Agency may change crypto risk guidelines. Reviewing the agency's risk management program. Commissioner Romero emphasized the risky aspect of cutting-edge technology like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and digital assets. Commissioner Christy Goldsmith Romero responded by recommending changes that would require businesses to be ready for crypto volatility and the dangers involved in holding clients' digital assets. In light of these worries, the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, is taking adjustments to its risk management laws under consideration. In light of the risks brought on by technology improvements, the Commission should examine its regulatory oversight, notably its risk management standards, claims Goldsmith Romero. Future risks from integrating digital assets with banks and brokers could change. The speaker also discussed ongoing difficulties with the industry's custody practices, emphasizing the possible dangers of brokers storing client funds in stable coins or other digital assets, as doing so may present unexpected and particular dangers. Price prediction for Bitcoin. On Friday during the Asian session, Bitcoin retreated from the 26,620 level and began to show signs of bullish momentum. This is consistent with what we just predicted would happen in terms of the price movement of Bitcoin. When we look at the 2-hour chart, we can see hammer candlesticks forming close to the 26,620 mark, which denotes a decline in adverse sentiment and a potential buying opportunity for Bitcoin. The 27,275 level, which is also the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level and a previous support level for Bitcoin, is likely to act as resistance on the upswing. It is anticipated that the 27,275 level would operate as a strong resistance level, possibly impeding further upward movement for Bitcoin. Both the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicators have moved into the purchasing zone, indicating a high possibility of continued rising momentum, especially on shorter time frames. The daily time frame contains a downtrend line that may act as a ceiling on Bitcoin's rise near the 27,275 mark. A clear break above this trend line might open the door for additional advances towards the 27,499 mark, with $28,000 being the next noteworthy target.